I'm going for I have more money than them. Not
I know you ain't about that life.
Oh, hello, my beautiful babies. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and I am back, okay? If you are new here, do me a favor, bust down, subscribe to this Mimi Titten channel. Why? Because I said so. Okay, I'm coming through. I'm balding, capping method down. We have a new unit here from Dorsanee Hair. Show your beauty. Okay, Google them, ho. All right, this unit I'm really excited about. My husband and I are going to, my cousin and I are going to a fashion show, and then Jing. If you are in Las Vegas, you know how I love Jing. Okay, since Summerlin, Chef's Kiss, phenomenal place to hang out at. So we're going to hang out there this evening, and I want to give love, sex, and magic. So Dorsanee Hair provided us with the exclusive, original blonde highlight, okay? P18 613 body wave human hair wig. P18 613 unit. This unit is really, really pretty. I'm already very much, I think she's really, really cute. She feels very thick to the touch. We have her in 24 inches, I believe, okay? And that is going for $330. It might be 26. Oh, it's 26 inches. That's right, because I asked for 26. This is 26 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. I'm excited about this on my skin. It's giving Sabina James, black or blonde. Y'all know I love me some blonde hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start to install her. Let's get into her cap. This is a 4 lace front wig. Okay, so get into that. Let's look at the lace. Okay. She might need a little bit of the pluckage. Just a tinge. She has 3 combs, 1, 2, 3 at the top of that cap, and then 1 at the bottom, all right? As well as an adjustable band, which I appreciate. Normally, I would just rock out with the adjustable band and not glue this mother jumper down. But I'm going to be honest, today, I really want to give y'all love, sex, and magic. Like, start to finish, love, sex, and magic. I'm already chopping off lace in the back. So, let's get her together. I'm going to show my Mimi Titten mouth, and I'm going to see you guys on the other side. Oh, let's get into gifts really quick. Dorsanee Hair, I hope I'm saying that properly. Dorsanee Hair so graciously provided us with lashes. Now, these I will wear, okay? Lashes, a wig bag. We love to see that. An edge brush, okay? And we got a cap around here somewhere that I cannot find. So, let's just go on ahead, get on into this, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. So let's get into the installation of this unit. I did a bald cap method that I kind of just let sit while we got this ready. This unit again is P18 613. She's absolutely stank, nasty, stunning. Almost has like a Ashley rose gold highlight kind of going on. Ashley blonde rose gold blonde situation that I'm obsessed with. So we're going to really take our time and do an extensive like 3 spray lay down because I want this to kind of last me all night in Vegas heat. So I'm using my Ibn black can lace bond, okay, to go on through. And this is our very first layer. This is just really to make sure she is secure. This blow dryer is really fantastic. It really reminds you of the Dyson Airwrap. I have all of the pieces. I am super obsessed with it. You have to get you one. It is amazing. But I'm just going on through and making sure our lace is laid down before we get on into this. The color of this unit is really stunning to me. It's taking me out. So I'm just chopping off any excess lace that I see because we're going to make sure that this is secure. You will not be snatching this wig up off my Mimi Titten head because we will be tussling. So I'm going to take the edge band, throw her on after I've dried some of that excess glue, and then I'm going to give you guys 10 minutes and I'll be back. So now that we're back, I've waited 10 minutes with this tied down tight, extremely tight. For the second step in this process, I'm just going to remove the excess lace Now I'm just going on through, taking all that extra lace off using my smaller scissors. Really, if I can get really close, you can also use like an eyebrow razor or even a regular straight razor just to go through and get that jagged edge that you like for a seamless install. So I'm just going on through, chopping it off. I do recognize that the lace looks white right now, but that is okay, because what's most important is that we go on through and make sure that we take off all of that excess so this can be laid down properly. Now on this Dorsanee $330 blonde unit, I'm going to go on through and add a second layer of bond glue. This is going to help me kind of remove that white ashiness that we see on the lace. I want to be clear, I have not colored the lace at all yet. I'm just going on through and making sure I remove the excess and really lay down these white pieces. So that's why I'm getting in there with those smaller scissors. It makes it easier and more pliable. And I'm just making sure that I heat this lace or cool this lace down and this glue down so that we can get a seamless install. We're going to wrap this up again, okay? And I'm going to wait another 10 minutes. For our last step of this install, I'm just going to make sure that this unit is fully secure, and then I'm going to start styling her up. I am using my Babyliss barrel curler. This is a 1 1/4 inch barrel curler, and I'm just going on through, adding that curl with some heat, okay, and making sure that I clip each curl down. So we're doing some easy breezy pin curls just to get this unit together. Now, the texture of this hair does feel like this is processed hair. Like, I want to be honest about that. I do think that it might require a co-wash before you actually, which I didn't do. That's the step I did not do before you actually install this hair. And that's just because it kind of brings a little bit of life to the hair that I think it's in desperate need of. The unit, the color of the hair is phenomenal. So I don't want to take anything away from that. I think that the lace is absolutely beautiful. I did experience some tingling and shedding, but this is processed hair. And I think that's really important to call out when you're working with units like this. You're going to have a little bit more of a way to go. And that's just the truth. So, but the color is so custom and so stunning, I ain't gonna pretend like it ain't worth it. So I'm using my contour palette to darken up the lace just to make it look more seamless. And let me tell you something, it really truly is coming out the scalp. I'm very happy with how this install really turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the detailed view. I'm gonna shut my Mimi tape mouth so we can finish this video, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. So we're back. This is a unit from Dorsanee Hair. We are all done. I just threw a couple curls in her, put her down. Look at the lace. The lace is lacing, Hockey. It looks really, really stunning. I think that you guys need to check them out. I haven't done a lot of units by them, but I'm actually proud of this. I'm happy with this. I love the color. This is a P18 613 lace front wig. Let me turn around. Let me know if you can see my tracks in the back. I think she's giving what she is supposed to give. So what I'm going to do, because we're headed out, is I'm going to take these, because my cousin got a nice good old purse, and I'll put these right in her purse, and I'm going to roll my hair up. Oh, I need to take pictures for you guys. But what I'm going to say is this. First things first, this unit is stunning. Second thing, the color is stunning. Black Girl Blonde is in for the summer, and you guys really need to check it out because it is not coming to play. Do you hear me? Okay? I really do think we need to be playing in more colors. This did require me to glue her down. Y'all know how I felt about gluing down wigs. I was not in the mood. Okay? But I really wanted to come and give love. Am I looking rich? I'm going for I have more money than them. Not y'all, because y'all got money too, because I'm wishing abundance on you, baby. But them, the brokies. You picking up what I'm putting down? What do you think? I'm obsessed. If you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and I'll see you mother jumpers later. Bye.